This is lesson 4 in the Getting Started with CapCut series. In this one, we're going to start working on our voice or on the audio. So to do that, click on the clip that we're going to be editing. Come over here on the right side to where it says audio, and then we're going to scroll down in here. And with editing in general, what you want to do is listen to it and see what needs to change, and then make that change. Is it too loud? Is there a part you need to cut out? Whatever it is, it's a cycle of just playing it, see if you like it. If you don't, make a change. If you like the change, keep it. If you don't like the change, get rid of it. So what we're going to do is just play a little bit. Okay, and the volume is fine, so I'm not going to touch that. If I need to make it louder or quieter, I could do that right here with this volume slider. You just grab it and slide it one way or the other, but I'm going to undo that. I can create a fade in so that it'll start from silent and then fade into the volume over 1 second. In this case, there's a 1S there for 1 second. Normalize loudness. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. That makes it so that the volume is more consistent. It's not going to have such high peaks and such low valleys. It's going to be a more consistent level of audio. If you're on the Pro plan, you could translate yourself to another language with this option right here, but I do not have that. And then there's this reduce noise option. This is going to take out like air conditioner sounds and dogs barking and things like that. So I recommend go ahead and click on that, and that'll make your audio sound a little bit better. And then play it, see how you like it. And it sounds good to me. Those are the basic steps for starting to edit your audio, and you can click on this video next to meet me in lesson 5.